We're a very diverse school, actually. We've got 3 broad programme areas, but they cover a number of different disciplines within those. The first of our programme areas is population health, but that covers a wide range of programmes, including occupational health and safety, health promotion, environmental health, accident investigation and forensics, and also, interestingly, aviation. So it's quite a broad group there. And then we have health professions and human services, again fairly broad. That covers a number of the allied health disciplines, including physiotherapy, occupational therapy, podiatry, speech pathology, but also the disciplines of social work and sociology. So they're, again, quite a broad but very linked discipline group. And then our final one is a little bit more simple. That's psychology, which is a large discipline area in itself. We have a number of goals within the school. At the moment, we're growing quite extensively the number of students that we're educating. We're also growing our research outputs in all of our areas, and importantly, underneath all of that, because of the nature of our disciplines, a lot of what we do is engaging with our local communities and working closely with our local communities. So our goals are very embedded in that area of our activity as well. We've brought on a number of new areas recently, and it's really quite exciting. So we're in the middle of developing a lot of new facilities. On our Bundaberg campus, we're just about to finish off an accident investigation crash lab, which is going to be a great facility, really one of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere. We're going to have accident artefacts like crashed planes, crashed vehicles, old machines from factories, so that our students can go along and see accident scenarios for real and try and understand what happened in those accidents. So that's one of the things that we're doing at the moment. We've also brought on a lot of new health programs. So on the Rockhampton campus, we've been very closely involved with the development of a brand new allied health clinic, and we've been working closely and engaging with Queensland Health. Again, a very innovative programme that's going on there. Part of Queensland Health is operating out of our clinic and providing opportunities for our students to go on placement. And then in Bundaberg, we've done a slightly different thing. Whereas in Rockhampton, we've built the clinic on the campus. In Bundaberg, we've taken the university to the clinic, and we've been engaging with the local super clinic there. We've leased some space for specialist teaching facility and working with the health professionals and practitioners in that super clinic. So again, students have really exciting placement opportunities there in the community. Those are some of the new areas that we brought on. And it's important to note as well that we've got some exciting research across all of our areas. We've got a number of different specialisms, but some of the ones I'd like to highlight, the fact that we've got some expertise in interprofessional health education. We also have expertise in psychology in areas such as problem gambling, and also the after effects of natural disasters. And that's something that's really pertinent and relevant to our communities in central Queensland, and particularly just recently, where many of the people who are watching this may be aware of some of the flood activity that's occurred in some of the communities that we work within. And some of our experts have actually been there in the evacuation centres, assisting people who've recently been affected by natural disasters. So I think that sort of gives you a flavour of some of the areas that we're currently involved with and where we're looking for the future. In the recent years, I'm really proud about the amount of student growth that we've had. We've put on exciting new programs, and we've really seen students wanting to come and choose us as a positive choice, as their first choice university to come and study with us. But above and beyond that, I think really what underpins that is the quality and enthusiasm of our staff. For example, one of our staff was named as the Central Queensland University Distance Educator of the Year last year. We've also had staff who've had citations from the Australian Learning and Teaching Council. So I think it's important that, if you're either a member of staff interested who's to come and work with us, or you're a student who's interested in coming to study with us, you recognise that we do have that breadth of enthusiasm amongst our staff group, and that is really supportive, and it's an energetic and enthusiastic environment.